Extending the olive branch, a gesture of peace. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, particularly the phrase, extending an olive branch. This expression has a rich history and is widely used in English to convey a powerful message of reconciliation and peace. So, let's unfold its meaning and usage together. The phrase, extending an olive branch, comes from ancient traditions. In many cultures, the olive tree is a symbol of peace and friendship. This idiom is often used when someone wants to make peace with another person or group after a disagreement or conflict. It's like offering a hand in friendship or saying, let's put our differences aside and stop fighting. You can use this phrase in both personal and professional contexts. For instance, if two friends have an argument, one might extend an olive branch by inviting the other to lunch to talk things over. In politics, a government might extend an olive branch by agreeing to talks or making a public gesture of goodwill towards another country. Let's look at some examples to see how this idiom works in sentences. After the heated debate, John decided to extend an olive branch by apologizing to his colleague. The company extended an olive branch to the striking workers by offering better working conditions. And that wraps up our exploration of extending an olive branch. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the history and culture that shape its idioms and expressions. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase with confidence. Until next time, keep learning and extend your own olive branch in conversations.